Moving on, National Conference Chief and sitting MP Farooq Abdullah has sparked a massive controversy after he said that with China's support, Article 370 can be restored in Jammu and Kashmir. All this comes even as tensions simmer along the line of actual control. Let's take a listen to this report.
As tense face-off at border with China continues to simmer and our soldiers set to brave the winter chill, National Conference founder and sitting MP Farooq Abdullah has stirred a massive controversy by invoking China's help to help restoring Article 370 repealed by Modi government.
उन्होंने आर्टिकल 370 को लेकर ये कहा कि हमें ये कबूल नहीं है और जब तक आप आर्टिकल 370 को रिस्टोर नहीं करेंगे हम रुकने वाले नहीं हैं। अल्लाह करे कि उनके इस जोर से हमारे लोगों को मदद मिले और हमारा ये 370 और 35A रिस्टोर हो।
Not only that, he termed Chinese aggression at the LAC a byproduct of abrogation of Article 370.
मैंने तो चीन के प्रेसिडेंट को कभी यहाँ बुलाया नहीं। हमारे वजीर आज़म ने उसको गुजरात भी बुलाया, उसे झूले पे भी बिठाया, उसे चेन्नई भी ले गए, वहाँ भी उसको खूब खिलाया, मगर उन्हें वो पसंद नहीं आया।
Farooq Abdullah's statement faced flack from experts and rival political parties.
Mr. Abdullah has a habit of being rather provocative at times in the hope that this will get him the reaction, this will shake up the establishment in India and give him the kind of stuff which he's used to being getting from successive governments in India, a kind of an impunity that he could do whatever he wanted to do in Jammu and Kashmir, and there were no questions going to be asked of him.
Abdullah was released from 7-month-long detention in March after he was slapped with Public Safety Act following the abrogation of Article 370 in August last year.
It is not the first time when the former J&K Chief Minister and the Member of Parliament Farooq Abdullah has spoken in favor of the China. In fact, earlier he said that the people of Jammu and Kashmir will prefer to live with China instead of India. Today, in the shocking revelation, the former Chief Minister once again said that he is hopeful that China will help in restoring Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. Ashraf Ani, for India Today, Srinagar.
We're cutting across to Ashraf Ani joining us live from Srinagar. On this, Ashraf, here we heard quite a shocker coming in from Farooq Abdullah there. He says that with China's support, somehow Article 370 can be restored. What really prompted him? We know he's dejected, upset, and he wants Article 370 to be restored, but seeking support from China, when we know quite clearly that China is instigating along the line of actual control, even as we speak, we lost a good number of our soldiers in recent times, just a few months ago. What really prompted him to make this statement?
Absolutely, Nabila. Basically, the main political parties of Jammu and Kashmir, which includes the National Conference as well as the People's Democratic Party, think that after the abrogation of Article 370, their whole political career has went to the edge and they are not able to do the politics in the Jammu and Kashmir, because for the decades the politics was only around the Article 370 in the Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, the both main parties of the Jammu and Kashmir, People's Democratic Party as well as National Conference, were fighting for the further autonomy to the Jammu and Kashmir. But after the abrogation of Article 370, not only these political leaders were put in detention for the long period, but even in fact the former Chief Justice Mehbooba Mufti is still under detention. So the Farooq Abdullah, being open after his detention, wanted to make the political mileage once again in the Jammu and Kashmir, and particularly wanting to win again the hearts of his supporters in the Kashmir Valley. That is why he is making these statements. Earlier, you are aware that in the Delhi, he recently said that the people of Jammu and Kashmir will prefer to live with the China rather than India. That was also a shocking revelation. But today, in an exclusive interview to India Today, he not only went to this extent that he feels that the support of China will help in restoration of Article 370. But in fact, he said that his party, the National Conference, will go to any extent for the restoration of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, they are ready to sacrifice their lives for the cause. And he is hopeful that the people of the valley and his supporters will help and support him in that. So basically, it is a simple politics, because still we are seeing that now more than 1 year has passed after the abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir since 5th of August 2019, and still there is vacuum of the political activities in the Jammu and Kashmir. The government of India is trying its best to restore the political activities in the Jammu and Kashmir, but so far they are not visible in the Jammu and Kashmir. On one side, the Jammu and Kashmir, the central government is thinking of going for the fresh polls in the Jammu and Kashmir for the assembly, but so far the main political parties, including the National Conference, are not ready for that and have not made mind for it. So still the government of India...
The politics in the back of the mind here. Ashraf, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.